Hey everyone, Jerry here, the njeri.fraser, and today I'm reviewing colored contacts sent to me by Coleyes. But first, let's play a quick game. Can you guess which is the black contact lens? Let me know in the comments below, and now let's get into this unboxing. Coleyes gives you colored contacts designed for dark brown eyes. So if you like any of their contacts, you can use my code JERRY20 for 20% off. In the box, we are given instructions, tweezers, and an applicator. And last, but definitely not least, we are given the contact lenses. Each box comes with instructions, and each box comes with its own contact lens case. I'll be trying 4 different colors: Sin Brown, Block White, Block Red, and last but not least, Block Black. I'll give a quick demo without makeup because I prefer to put in lenses without wearing any makeup. It's just easier, less messy. So before putting any contacts into your eyes, please remember to wash your hands. Also, please soak your contact lens in contact lens solution prior to wear. The contact lens solution doesn't come with the package, so you will have to get that separately. After your contact lenses have finished soaking, take the tweezers to take out your lens and place it on your index finger. Ensure that the lens is curved like a bowl, that's where you know it's the right side up. Using the other hand, tug the eyelid downwards and then gently try to place the contact lens onto your eye. Now I have tiny eyes, so it's a little bit challenging at times, but hey, second time's the charm. This actually went on pretty easily. But just take your time, no rush. The lens will naturally move towards the center of your eye regardless of how you place it. This is how Block White is looking on me, and I love it. I use these lenses in the Uncanny Valley trend, and it really made the look pop. Next is Sin Brown, the only natural looking color contacts I got from Coleyes, but I really love how it complements my skin tone here. Next we have Block Red, and guys, when I tell you this red is popping against my brown skin, like it's giving paint the tone red, like I like it. It's creepy, but I was really going for creepy looks when I got these lenses because, you know, for makeup looks it'll be fun to experiment. Last but not least, we have Block Black. I like Block Black. It's so strangely natural. It's cute. It's like that emoji, you know. I mean, it's really nice, simple, but you can do so much with this look. Right now, I'm wearing both contacts, but in the beginning, I was only wearing contacts on the left side. I loved how all these looked on me, and they were so comfortable to wear. Thank you again, Coleyes. You should check them out. And remember, everyone, self-care is how we practice self-love. Mwah! Bye!